Hello, my name's Matthew Cobham. I'm the Global Cluster Manager for Culture at ERCO. And over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new Eclipse range. 28,000 possibilities, which brings a lot of flexibility. So 28,000 possibilities, that's possible because of the combinations that we can put together. We can have up to 3 accessories altogether. So here we've got just a few examples of that. Here, for example, you might want to have a softening lens. You might want to, for example, adjust the color temperature. So here you can see some of those filters. And then if you wanted to further control the light, you could add a snoot, or you could add a honeycomb filter, or you could also add a barn door. Here you can see one of the small size luminaires we've got set up, actually with a spot. Let's imagine, just to take in a kind of extreme case, that you want to change that now to a framer, one-handed operation always. I have to hold on to the track swinging. But now we have a framer. A few weeks later, exhibition is changing and they want to change it to an oval wide flood, so off comes the framer. Now we're going to put on an oval wide flood because that's what this particular situation demands. Always clockwise operation to move the beam around, anti-clockwise to take off. And let's just imagine now they want to change it to a zoom. So here we are, and we can now operate the zoom. Here we've got a 3000 Kelvin luminaire. Let's just imagine you want to make that warmer. There are actually 2 lenses to make it warmer. And you can see how here, immediately we make that warmer. Or if you wanted to make it cooler, you could also do that. There are 2 cooler as well, which means that you end up with 30 fixed color temperatures. Imagine that, for example, for a tender or a requirement, you want to have even further light control. So we, of course, got a range of accessories to deal with that. For example, with the snoot that we have here, which again goes on very, very easily. We can then quickly change that to, as you would expect, a honeycomb light control as well. So again, that goes on very, very easily. One thing to point out here is you cannot see the honeycomb form on the wall or the surface you're actually lighting, so that's a very important point. So let's look at how easy it is to, first of all, put your barn door actually onto the luminaire. Let's now look at how to shape it, in this case with the 8-leaf version. And you can see, let's just start off with just bringing in the side leaves a little bit. And now we want to close it down a bit just to achieve the form that we want. And as you can see, with the fact that it's got the 8 leaves, it means that you can really close it down, almost to become like a soft framer. Also, you can have up to 3 accessories together. We could also just completely transform it, for example, into a framer. So now we have a framer complete.